Ever wondered who makes sure your favorite apps and websites work perfectly? That's the job of a software tester. They're the quality guardians of the digital world, professionals who check software to make sure it does exactly what it's supposed to. They hunt for bugs and glitches, ensuring everything runs smoothly before it reaches you. So, what does a day in the life of a tester look like? It's a mix of activities: reading requirement documents, creating detailed test plans, running tests to find issues, and then reporting those bugs to developers. They also attend meetings to discuss progress and collaborate with the team to make the software better. Now, you might be thinking, will AI take over these jobs? That's a great question. The short answer is no. AI is not replacing testers, it's upgrading them. AI is transforming testing by automating repetitive tasks. This frees up testers to focus on more creative and strategic work, like analyzing complex problems and thinking critically about the user experience. Instead of just finding bugs, the future tester will also ensure AI systems themselves are tested ethically and effectively. So, AI isn't stealing jobs, it's making them smarter. To become a great tester, you need a mix of non-technical and technical skills. On the non-technical side, you need sharp analytical skills to break down complex software. Strong communication is also key, because you'll be writing reports and talking with developers. Good time management and a great attitude are essential. You need a desire to test to break things, an eye for detail, and a passion for learning new technologies. On the technical side, some basic knowledge of databases and SQL is really helpful, since a lot of software relies on data. You should also get familiar with test management tools like TestLink and defect tracking tools like Jira. If you're interested in automation, learning a tool like Selenium and a scripting language like JavaScript or Python is a huge plus. And don't forget performance testing tools like JMeter, which check how well an application handles heavy loads. So how do you start? Begin by learning the basics of software testing. You can find tons of free resources online. Then, try applying for freelance testing jobs to gain hands-on experience. As you learn, you can explore automation with Selenium and performance testing with JMeter. Getting a certification like the ISTQB can also boost your resume, but practical experience is what truly matters. What about your career path? You'll likely start as a QA analyst. With a few years of experience, you can become a senior QA analyst, then a QA team coordinator, and eventually a test manager. There are also specialized paths you can take, like becoming an automation engineer, a performance test engineer, or even a business analyst, since testers gain a deep understanding of the business side of things. Of course, the journey has its challenges. You'll need to keep up with new tools, manage tight deadlines, and communicate effectively with developers. The key is to never stop learning, dedicate time each week to study, practice with open source projects, and stay curious. Finally, let's bust some myths. Is software testing a low-paying or boring job? Absolutely not. In good companies, testers are paid just as well as developers and are highly respected. The job is far from boring. It's a dynamic field where you get to solve puzzles and ensure technology works for everyone. So, if you have a curious mind and a passion for quality, a career in software testing might be the perfect fit for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you next time.